Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying core prerequisites. Console firmware and control layout must match the guide. Once done, equip the spear you intend to use and inspect durability so you avoid mid-fight breaks. Make sure the spear's modes, ranged versus melee, are understood. Next, adjust camera sensitivity to a moderate 40–60% range and bind primary attack to a button that feels natural. These steps let you act immediately. They cut setup time and keep focus on learning actual spear mechanics. Now you focus on core technique. Mix light and heavy strikes to control tempo. Light attacks string quickly, while heavy attacks pierce armor and stagger, reason enough to alternate. Practice thrust timing by holding the attack for about 1/2 second to charge, then release to lunge. This increases range and damage. Once comfortable, incorporate dodge rolls and backward steps to keep distance, bait enemy commits, and punish openings. These layered actions form the backbone of reliable spear play. To finish fights cleanly, close with a charged lunge or a spear throw to control space and prevent counterattacks. After combat, repair or swap the spear when durability falls below 15%. Carrying one spare prevents downtime. If you repeatedly miss attacks, make one key fix. Recalibrate camera sensitivity or shorten your charge hold by roughly 10–20% so timing matches enemy movement. This troubleshooting tip resolves most rhythm and range issues, so recover fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.